Good day, folks. Here are the instructions for the current events presentation discussion. Managerial Accounting, Summer 2020. First question I'd like to raise is, why are we doing this? Well, the first reason is to understand how current events may impact the firm in management accounting. We're really in an unknown situation, as we discussed previously with COVID-19. So what we're going to do is we're going to examine some of the key issues as we see them in the business press. The next thing is to develop your critical thinking skills. It's easy enough to read, but to look at it and see, what is it saying? What does it mean to the company, to the firm? What does it mean to management accounting? And what can I get from it? What can I learn from it to build my skill base? Build your oral and written communication skills, because you're going to have to present this, and you're going to have a presentation that goes along with it. It's going to build your skills working remotely with a partner. Okay, oftentimes when you work in groups, you're together, but you're going to have to figure out how to do this virtually. And it's not just dividing the project up into you do this, but it's working together remotely. As so many people are working around the world remotely, you too can practice that skill so you have an idea. So let's focus a little bit on the details of the assignment. The first thing you need to do is to find a partner. You may do this in any way you'd like. Remember, getting to know you, you got everybody out there. So find your partner, email me with the names, and I'm going to send you an article. Second step is review the article, then prepare a 10-minute presentation that summarizes the article, explain how it would impact a firm, managerial accounting, what we and you can learn from it. What's the key takeaway? After that, number 3 is schedule an appointment with me to have the discussion presentation, and we do that in Zoom. And it's I use the word discussion presentation because we're not going to just sit there and listen to you. We're going to engage with you. Okay? That's a key thing. It's a little different than what you might do in a normal class. We need to complete the presentations by July 17th, and it's worth 11 points of your grade. There's 2 components to the current events presentation. The first one, there are 2 components. There are 2 components to the current events presentation discussions. The first one is your review yourself. Then you need to participate with other discussions. And you need to engage in 2 other discussions, either real time, which I think is preferred, or virtually if time does not allow to do it virtually. But you'll find it much easier to be there at the preferred time. The times will be all over the place. I'll notify you when they are. This needs to be completed by July 24th, 20, and it's worth 4 points. So this is an important part of your course, is that, again, we're trying to make this as applied as can be so that you can see that it's real. We use accounting in what we do every single day. So if you have questions, please let me know. I'm also attaching or putting into Canvas a link to how to really make effective presentations. And I've read it, and it's very interesting. In some degree, when I read it, I realized that it was a lot of what I have been trying to do. If you notice, we may have a fair number of videos, but the videos tend to be around 15 minutes. I don't usually go more than that. The video will say it should be 6 minutes and 40 seconds, but I'm really thinking about that. But I'm down to 15. They used to be 30, 40 minutes. So compare that, my videos of 15 minutes, to an entire lecture sitting there for 50 minutes or 75 minutes. Well, I get tired just making a 15-minute one. I couldn't imagine being on the other side and sitting for an hour. So that's why I do it. If you got any questions, please let me know.